channel. My name is 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐿𝐸en and this is Modest Sisters. Now you guys have been going so crazy over this brand and I do understand why. They have cool pieces, they have vibrant colors, interesting patterns. So this is my second video, my second review of them. I've ordered some new fresh pieces from them to see what they're like and if my verdict has changed from my previous video. Now if you don't know, or you may know because you're a subscriber, but my focus is sustainable fashion, accessories and lifestyle. So when I am reviewing fashion pieces, I am trying to comment on the quality, on the versatility, and comparing with similar brands in the market in terms of what they're offering, in terms of you getting the most for your money and quality hunting, basically. A little bit about the brand before I dive into what's new. They are a British owned, female owned brand that the lady started in her parents' house, in her parents' basement or attic, I can't remember, and then she grew it to what it is today. So that's pretty cool and very encouraging. In terms of their focus, it is trans-seasonal pieces, trans-seasonal prints that, you know, are buildable, versatile. In terms of what's new, they have a pre-loved section now, and they also have a point system now, and they also have an outlet section on their website. Outlet obviously selling discounted items, so you can catch some of the items on sale if you find them in your size, because they're frequently out of stock, which is, I guess, good because they're selling what they have, which is good for not overproducing. They also, the pre-loved section is essentially, if you're buying, it redirects you to their Depop page, and the selling side you can apply to sell to them, from what I understand. I have not done it, so if you have, comment below on how that works, basically, to educate all of us. In terms of what I have a hump about with them is their website is really vague in terms of what materials are recycled or what materials are sustainable, and to what extent, in terms of numbers and percentages, what is it that they're doing. There's a lot of, most of, the majority, some of the selection of words on their website all over, and it's not clear when you're selecting an item to me which of it is sustainable, what is sustainable about it. They talk about recycled polyester, but it's not clear as to what items are using that recycled polyester on their website. So it would be nice to see. That is important for me. This channel does focus on sustainable fashion, so those are the things I'll be looking out for, and we should all be looking out for, because it is important for everybody on planet Earth if you want to stay here comfortably. That is all my rambling, so I'm going to unbox what I have. I forgot how many items I have, but anyway, let's jump into it. So I am going to be commenting on quality, look and feel compared to what I saw on the website, and I'm sorry to say the price as well, because in my last video, I had a hard time understanding the correlation between the quality and the price that I was paying. So let's see if I still feel the same. So this is the packaging. It is paper packaging. I'm just gonna rip straight into this. I have a total of 5 items here. In total, these 5 items were £355. That's quite a price. So I'm really praying that the quality lives up to this price, because it's a lot of money. I'm starting with the jacket. It's nice. It's actually nice. It will be a bit wrinkled when I put it on. It's very loose. I can't say that it's my style, but it's a good purchase to try on and see. I'm not a fan of these collars that are elongated going down, but if you are into this kind of thing, then definitely it's a good quality jacket. For £89, it's not going to keep you warm exactly. It's a jacket. It's truly that, a jacket. It's really on the thin side, and perhaps the bagginess is good for layering, you know, when it's not too cold but it's not safe to just go out without anything. Inside you're wearing a jumper, and then you put this on top because it's not exactly the thickest, the most warm item. They call it white. It's more on an ivory note. Basically, you get the gist. I would say for £89, okay, cool. I would be happy with that price if it was my style. I don't know if you can see that, but that's another thread. So the finishing could be better. So next up, I bought these two pieces, which is a skirt and a top. It's nice that it's got adjustable straps. The print is very, very pretty. It's very bold. It's very mixed, but they've selected the right color. They really give me that holiday vibe. They really, really do. You know, the quality is nice. I know this is really nitpicky, but there are a lot of loose threads. There's a lot of loose threads. Like, why? Why are there loose threads? Okay, cool. That's really, really particular, but okay, cool. This is the matching skirt, and you can, for special occasions or for a different time, you can wear these together, separately, you know, whatever you want to do. So this is their, you know, signature wrap skirt, which you can make into a dress from their videos that I've seen. I'm going to try that and see how I successfully do that. I am really struggling with the price range for their items. It would be really good to know, is it because some of the material is recycled, or again, because it's not clear, it's hard to decide whether or not it's worth £60. Anyway, that's my verdict. The top has a bit of stretch to it. It definitely has a bit of stretch to it, and these adjustable straps are very helpful to giving you your desired look in terms of cleavage here. I have a hard time controlling cleavage on me personally. I'm not a fan of cleavage, and so this is good. I love tops that do this. I don't know why, but this blazer has actually made it even louder. But you know, it's lovely. All right. Okay, this is basically a green knit wear. It's very soft, made in China, 48% acrylic and 32% nylon. Okay, you have to hand wash this. Okay, I got this because I like where it sits in terms of cleavage, and I love the color, so very exciting to have this. And it's got some moderate slits, which are very cool for not making it look too plain. The slits on both sides. This is really comfortable. It's very smooth, and the fitting is really good. I love this because in terms of buildability, you can insert even the same top I was just wearing, the sheer one, inside, and then put this over, and it will look so cool. Because it's quite plain, accessories will do the lifting up, even maybe a really thin belt, and your choice of bag will do the zhuzhing up, and your shoes as well will do justice to bring in out the dress. But it is so beautiful, and yes, good quality. It is good quality. You can just feel it does feel like cashmere quite a bit, actually. It really does. I love the color. I really love the color because it is transitional. Actually, I'm gonna try something, which is seeing if it works with the skirt, and I think it will. I don't know how this is coming off, but this is giving you the idea of what you can do sometimes with dresses and their wrap skirts. You can wrap over the dress to give you a different look. I was very excited about this. Oh my god, the material is lovely. Oh, it says made in China. Interesting. Anyway, this is 100% cotton. Okay. £89 is very steep. It is very, very steep. You can tell that this is a durable something. This is lovely. I love the pattern. I absolutely love the pattern. I love this. Oh my gosh, the color is beautiful. The quality is hugging. Best believe this is going to last you. Do you know, their name is very strange in terms of their items are quite on the modest side. Actually, I'm very impressed with that. The cleavage is really, your boobies are safe. So, you know, it's so nice. The print is just gorgeous. Loud but muted. I don't know how to explain it. It's very complimentary for any skin tone at this rate because it looks gorgeous on me. I can just see it looking really nice on any other skin tone because it's just giving you that summer magazine type of vibe, tea party. This is lovely. This is, as you can tell, my favorite out of all of them. We don't love this jacket. It's not my style. I think it's just not my style, but if it is your style, defo. You can do this for you. You can definitely make it work because the colors are the opposite and the length is great. Right, anyway, you get the gist. It's lovely and it's buildable to an extent. It's very loud, but it's something that's going to last you. You are definitely going to be able to wear this casual, smart. You are going to get compliments and it's going to be just that thing that just looks good on you and it makes you feel good because it's the stretchy material and it just hugs you. Thank you so much for watching. I think that is all. No, I'm gonna do the outro without this jacket. I'm sorry. If you want to see more videos like this for certain companies, please let me know and I can certainly do that. As you can tell, I'm big on quality, I'm big on durability, I'm big on versatility. So if there are any shops that you want me to try out around that subject area, please let me know in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram where I post daily inspos and projects that I've worked on in terms of styling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.